Hi guys, today I have something really awesome to show you. It's the world's smallest Lego truck. It can fit one minifigure and it has 2 thick wheels and 2 thin wheels. Stay tuned if you want to learn how to build this awesome truck. You'll need one 4x4 roof piece, 2 of these thin wheels with treads on them, 2 of these thick wheels with no treads on them, one 1x4 plate. This 1x4 piece has a big hole in the middle, a steering wheel, this flat 4x4 brick, 2x4 windshield piece, this wheel well piece, 2x4, 2 of these 1x1, this red 1x2 light, 2 1x2 lights that are orange, 2 doors, 2 of these 1x2 slanted pieces, 2 of these gray headlight pieces, 1 gray vent 1x2, 1 white 2x2 flat, 3 of these 1x2 flats, 2 of these 1x1 headlight pieces, this 1x2 lock piece, 2x2 axle piece, this axle piece that came from an airplane, it's 2x2, and lastly 2 1x1 bricks. Let's start building. First you take the 2x2 axle piece, then you put the 2 thick wheels on it, so it looks like that. Then you get the 1x2 lock piece, put it on the axle like that, and then 2 these 1x1 plates, put them right there, right there. Then you get this piece, wheel well piece, put it on top of everything, so it looks like that. You get this 2x2 flat piece, put it right there. Then you put the 1x4 brick right there. And then the 4x4 flat piece, put it right there. Then you get 2 of the slanted pieces, 2 of these pieces, 1x1 bricks, and 2 1x2 flats. Put this next to the slanted piece and put the 1x2 on the bottom, so they look like that. Do the same for the other one. That. Then you turn the thing you made, this one, this piece right here, one here, this one right here. So it looks like that so far, the bottom of your truck. Then you get this piece, 1x2 flat, put it at the front. Looks like that. Then you get the airplane axle piece and the 2 thin wheels. Put the 2 thin wheels on the axle piece, so it looks like that. And then turn it upside down and face the wheels this way and put it in like that. So far, your truck looks like that. Now for the top. First, you get the 2 gray headlight pieces and the 2 white headlight pieces. Put the 2 white right here and the 2 gray right here. Then you get the vent and put it on the 2 gray ones. And then you get the 2 orange lights, put them on the side of the vent, so far your truck looks like that. Then you get the steering wheel and put it in front. Then get the doors, one side and one on the other side. Then get the windshield piece, put it right there. Then get this piece and put it right there. Lastly, you get the roof and the light, put the light right there, put it on the bottom, filling up that gap, and then put the roof, and there is your tiny truck. And put them in. There you go. And that is how you build the tiniest 4-wheel truck in the world. You can see one minifigure. Subscribe for more videos or visit my website at legochess.com. Uh-oh, what do I hear?